Okay, this is an example of how to do a screencast-o-matic, okay, and how to record a PowerPoint and then talk over it. Okay, so the first thing you would do is you would connect here, and then you would go to the website, which is the screencast-o-matic. So you click on that, and then you hit this Launch Your Free Recorder. Okay, so you would do that, and it's launched, and I already have it launched in this window. So once you have it launched in the window, then you get a screen like this, and down here below is this information here. You probably can't see that picture of it, but down there is where you'll see the information for it. Anyway, so you click on that, and you size up the screen that you need to have sized up. Okay, so generally this, I don't know if you can see that, but I measure it out. Okay, then I go to the actual power, whatever it is that I want to record. So in this particular instance, it's just this PowerPoint here. So then what I'll do is I go into PowerPoint mode of pre-slideshow, and then I just start talking. So this would be Chernobyl disaster. And then I talk about what happened and where it located and all. Okay, so basically it's straightforward and easy. Then when you're all done, you hit the button